We're here at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and today we're looking at a 2014 Softail Deluxe. This bike has a lot of bells and whistles on it. It's got the engine guards with the highway pegs, nice floorboards, has the higher handlebars, nice big front fairing for wind deflection, smoked out turn signals, nice fog lights, heel toe shifter, cool derby cover. It's got a pouch on the gas tank, locking leather hard bags, which are awesome, and smoked out lenses in the rear as well. Also has that Vance & Hines exhaust. Sounds really good. Miles are 14,680. Last thing also is that awesome sound bar. Again, we are at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides. Come check it out.